Every morning, I generate 2 professional market intelligence reports. It takes me exactly 30 seconds. If you are a trader, analyst, or newsletter writer, you know the drill. Multiple tabs, copy-pasting data, 2 to 3 hours every morning. I did this manually for months until I automated the entire thing. 1 Python script, 30 seconds, a publication-ready report. Watch. I run the script, and a formatted Word document appears with 13 professional sections. Market overview with BTC and ETH, stablecoin analysis, DeFi tracking, RWA yields, Layer 1 and Layer 2 comparisons, digital asset treasuries, geopolitical context, top headlines, ETF watchlist, scenario analysis with probability weighting. The Equities version covers 22 sections: US markets, Magnificent 7 tracking, European, Asian, Australian markets, fixed income, commodities, currencies, and intermarket correlation analysis. Change a heading color, 1 line. Add a new section, copy a block. Add your logo. Track different assets. The code is yours. The bundle includes a newsletter converter. It extracts key sections into Markdown for Beehive or Substack. The crypto report generator is $29. The Equities version is $29. Or get the complete bundle for $49. One-time purchase, no subscription. The same engine behind the AI Unchained daily newsletter. 13 crypto sections, 22 equity sections, 30 seconds to generate. Link in the description. Not financial advice. Subscribe for more.